Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle. So I have decided to start a new series, and this came about because I asked on Facebook what people were interested in learning about baking, something that they didn't know before. And several of my friends said that they've been having trouble making bread. Well, I was also thinking about bread, and I don't know if everybody knows this, but Germany is famous for its bread. There are over 2,000 different kinds of bread that come from Germany. So I thought to myself, why don't we make it into a series? Now, not every recipe I put up is going to be German. However, I think that this is going to be a really fun way for us to explore the world of baking together. So let's look at all the different breads, whether American or German or whatever. So I'm calling this my bread baking series. I'm really looking forward to it. The recipe we're making today is for baking powder bread, and it's really, really easy to make. And it's super fast too, and I really enjoyed the taste. So I hope you do too. Let's get started.
Only 4 simple ingredients. We need 4 cups or 500 grams of flour. You can use any kind of flour you would like to. 2 cups or 450 milliliters of milk or milk alternative. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 tablespoon baking powder. Put the flour, salt, baking powder, and milk into a bowl and stir it together with a spoon or spatula. Nope, not kidding. That's all. Then pour the dough into a bread form sprayed with baking spray. The dough is quite sticky. Since the bread is leavened with baking powder instead of yeast, don't wait, but place it immediately into a preheated oven. Bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 to 45 minutes. Immediately after removing the bread from the oven, spread some butter or margarine over the top. This will keep the crust from getting too hard and will give the bread a subtle buttery flavor. Now allow the bread to cool completely. Once it is cool, it should remove fairly easily from the form. Let me show you how I cut it. It smells really good. It's really quite soft. I thought it would be more biscuit-like, but it really isn't. It's a ridiculously simple and quite nice recipe. I love bread and can eat slices of bread without anything on it, so my test of a good bread is if I can do that without it being too dry or tasting bad. I can definitely eat slices of this bread without anything on it. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today and that it helps you make bread even without yeast. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for a new video every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we've uploaded a new video.